The 360 degrees hydraulic swivel system of a tilt rotator also comes in different configurations. For example, if a tilt rotator only needs hydraulic supply for the bottom quick coupler, then its 360 degrees swivel block provides just 2 hydraulic lines, one for supply and one for return. Once you add a clamp function, the 360 degrees swivel must increase to 4 independent hydraulic lines, allowing each circuit to supply and return oil without interfering with each other. If you require automatic hydraulic for operating tools such as a vibratory compactor or other hydraulic attachments, then the 4 lines must expand to 6 fully independent hydraulic lines. And the hydraulic flow through the swivel can even be controlled by proportional valves to adjust flow output.